Hello friends, today I'm going to be teaching my little sister Onuogugu numbers in Igbo. Koya Onuogugu. So let's start. Efu, 0.
Efu, 0.
Otu, 1.
Otu, 1.
Abụọ, 2.
Abụọ, 2.
Atọ, 3.
Atọ, 3.
Anọ, 4.
Anọ, 4.
Ise, 5.
Ise, 5.
Isi, 6.
Isi, 6.
Asa, 7.
Asa, 7.
8, Asato.
8, Asato.
9, Itulu.
9, Itulu.
10, Iri.
10, Iri.
Good job, Chikayima. So, I hope you enjoyed me teaching my little sister Onuogugu numbers in Igbo. Bye! Thanks for watching. Bye! Bye!